Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing this helmet. This helmet has served me well and did its job. It's comfortable, but my head just got bigger, so yeah, it got too small. This one here is a Tipperary helmet. So it has a vented helmet shell for a cooler fit, which means like air comes in and out and you don't sweat inside of it. It has a reflective rear strip for nighttime riding. Sizing inserts to adjust your fit. So if there's like paddings in the box too, you can bring this one out and put new ones in. And then there is a bag that comes with it. And you can put your helmet in it. And so I've ridden with Tipperary before and it's a very comfortable helmet. It lasts a long time as long as you don't smash it. It's very comfortable. I would definitely recommend it. Put it in the bag. See if it fits in here. Yeah, it fits. There's the paddings here. You have thinner paddings, bigger paddings. There's Velcros to attach the paddings with. And then you can put these at like the back of your helmet to adjust it, make it smaller or bigger. And then you have the helmet itself. There is a little strap here. And then that's how you adjust the size. So you can like make it bigger here, smaller. So like this, and then you fold it once, and then you'll put the strap back on like this. And then now we're gonna see how it fits. So it's definitely a comfortable helmet. It's roomy. You can like feel, it's a nice helmet. It'll last me a bit. You wanna like be able to fit fingers under it and touch your head, because then you'll know like it'll probably last me a few years as long as I don't smash it. If you get a little bit of a bigger size with the adjustments, then it will last you a very long time. If your head grows, you put in smaller adjustments. It's a great helmet. I like it a lot. That's just a short unboxing for Tipperary helmet. Their review is coming soon.